In this video, we will discuss on the different types of graphs. The first graph is bar graph. It is a graphical display of data using bars of different heights. Let's say, for example, we have a survey among friends to find which kind of movie they like best. Now we can present it in a table. So we have comedy. It means there are 4 friends who likes comedy. There are 5 among your friends who likes action. There are 6 who like romance. There is 1 who likes drama. And sci-fi, there are 4 friends who like sci-fi. Now, if we are going to present this result by using the bar graph, then this will be the result. So in this part of the graph, we will write the numbers, okay? We will write the numbers 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, which will represent the number of people who likes a specific type of movie. Now just make sure that the numbers here are of the same interval. So in this case, they have 2, okay? 2 as the interval. So 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And in this part of the graph, we will write the type of movies. So we have comedy, action, romance, drama, and sci-fi. So para sa comedy, since 4 ang result, so yung bar natin is we have to draw the bar up until sa 4. Ito yun. Okay? Then, pwede nyo rin kulayan para mas klaro. And then, sa action naman, since ang result natin ay 5, so this is 4, 5, then 6. So, andito ang 5 natin. Kaya, yung bar is idodraw natin hanggang sa 5. Okay? And then, sa romance naman, 6. Kaya, ang bar graph natin is hanggang 6. Okay? Hanggang dito, 6. And then, ang drama naman is 1. So, 0, andito ang 1. Okay? So, hanggang dito ang bar. And then, ang sci-fi naman is 4. 4. Kaya, hanggang dito ang bar sa 4. Okay. Now, again, pwede niyong kulayan yung mga bars para lang mas appealing tingnan at para na rin makita kaagad kung alin sa type of movies ang pinakamaraming gusto ng iyong kaibigan. So, in this case, makikita natin kaagad na ito, yung pinakamataas yung bar, kaya masasabi natin na ang type of movie na romance, ang pinakamaraming may gusto among sa iyong friends. Another one is pie chart. So we can present our data using a pie chart. This is a special chart that uses pie slices to show relative sizes of data. So, kagaya, we have the same example, no? Favorite type of movie. So, in this case, kung alin yung may pinakamataas na percent, okay, by the way, kung titingnan nyo, may mga percent tayo, okay? That is simply, how did we get this percent? So, we have sci-fi 4, we have comedy 4, we have drama 1, we have action 5, we have romance 6. Okay? Ito yun. 6, 1, 4, 4, and 5. And then we will add that. So we have 8, 9, 14, 6. That is 20. So ibig sabihin, you have 20 friends, no? Na kung kanino ka nag-survey. Okay? So you give the survey among your 20 friends. Okay? So ngayon, para kunin natin yung mga percent, we will just simply divide. So 4 divided by 20, it will give us 0.20. Okay, 0.20. And then multiply by 100, then it will give us 20%. Okay? Then, ang drama naman, 1. So, we have 1 divided by 20 equals, that will be 0.05. Yang 0.05, multiply it by 100, and it will give us 5%. Okay? So, ganyan kukunin yung mga percentage. Now, sa pagpili naman, yung bahagi ng pi, just see to it, pwede kayo mag-estimate lang. Basta see to it, kung alin yung may pinakamalaking porsyento, dapat malaki yung area ng pi. Kagaya nito. Ito ang 30%. Ang romance ang may pinakamalaking percentage, kaya malaki yung area ng pi. Then, ang sumunod na mas malaki, okay, ang sumunod sa 30% ay ang 25%. Kaya, you just estimate the area kung saan mas malaki siya kesa sa iba, pero may konting kalaitan kesa naman dito sa 30%. Okay, so mas maliit ang 25% ng konti kesa sa 30% ng romance. Then after that, okay, so we have the 4, so 20%, pareho silang 20%, so see to it, magkapareho silang dalawa. Okay, yung area ng dalawang pi nila ay magkapareho dapat. And of course, ang pinaka-last na may 5%, so dapat siya yung may pinakamaliit na area dito sa pi. Ngayon, makikita nyo kaagad, no, dito lamang sa pi. By the way, you can also color the pi. Okay, you can color the different parts of the pi para mas appealing. And then, para rin makikita natin kaagad kung ano ang may pinakamalaking bahagi ng pi at ano ang may pinakamaliit na bahagi ng pi. So, in this case, we can easily identify that the romance has the most number of favorite type of movie. And then ang drama naman, since maliit ang area niya, ito ang may pinaka mababang number of friend na nag-choose as favorite type of movie. Okay? Ano naman ang pictograph? Pictograph is a way of showing data using images. For example, ito. Okay? So, sa January, isang apple, by the way, ang isang apple ay nagre-represent ng 10 apples. Again, ang picture, pag may nakita kayong picture, whole apple, it means 10 apples. Pero kung may nakita kayong half lang, ibig sabihin yan, it represents 5 apples. Kaya dito, sa January, we have 10 apples. Okay? And then dito sa February, since meron tayong 4 na whole apples, so meaning sa February, we sold 40 apples. Sa March naman, meron tayong 2 whole apple at isang half. So, ang ibig sabihin yan, we sold 25 apples. 10 plus 10 plus 5, 25. Sa April naman, we have 2 whole apples. Ibig sabihin yan, we sold 20 apples. Ganyan ang pictograph. We are using pictures to represent the number of data. Next naman, ang line graph. A graph that shows information that is connected in some way, such as change over time. So let's say, for example, we have here the temperature in New York. Okay, in this part of the graph, we will write the temperature in degrees Celsius. So we have 40 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, and 55 degrees. Okay? Now, here for this part, we will write the time. So we have 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3, 4, and 5. Let's say this is in PM. So this is in the afternoon. Okay. So at 1, let's say at 1, around 43 degrees Celsius. Okay. And then at 2, okay, so that's 40 degree. And then at 2 o'clock, okay, at 2 o'clock, around, let's say this is 60, okay, I'm sorry, this should be 50 to. So let's say around 53, 53, and then in the at 3 p.m., let's say, so eksakto talaga siya sa 50. And then at 4, eksakto talagang 55 degrees. Okay? And then at 5, 50 ulit. 50 degrees Celsius. Okay. So after natin, 50 degrees Celsius. So after natin ma-identify yung mga degrees Celsius for each of this time, okay, pwede natin i-connect by drawing a line. Okay, so we will draw a line, draw a line, draw a line, and draw a line. So, anong ibig sabihin yan? Ibig sabihin yan, from 1 to 2 o'clock, nag-increase, kasi papunta sa taas, oh. So, from 1 to 2 o'clock, nag-increase ang temperature. Okay, from 43, okay, estimated lang. So, from 43 to 53. So, tumaas yung temperature. Then, from 53 to from 2 o'clock to 3 p.m., bumagsak ang temperature. From 53, naging 50. And then, from 3 to 4 naman, tumaas ulit. From 50 to 55. Then, from 4 to 5 p.m., bumaba ulit. 55 to 50 degrees Celsius. Okay, so that is how you interpret the line graph.